Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to factory reset Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Maybe you're selling or giving away the computer, or you just start. Let's go and do this. Come to the bottom of your computer and click on the Windows Start button like so, and then click on Settings. Go over to the left in your settings. Then go and click on System. Then scroll down here like so until you go and find Recovery, and go and click there. In Recovery you need to come into the Recovery Options section and you'll see the option Reset this PC. It says choose to keep or remove your personal files and then reinstall Windows. So click Reset PC and you want to do whether you want to keep your files or remove everything, in this case, or remove everything. Just back to factory. What you can then do is choose how you want to reinstall Windows, or just do a local reinstall. You can then see what's going to happen as far as Neil press next, and we can go and continue with the process. We're now ready to reset the PC, and you're going to see what's going to happen here, and all we need to do is press reset. If you found this useful, then leave a like,